Okay guys, so we just got home from a trip. We were gone for about a week. We actually went to England, and now we're going to pick up Logan. Now Logan gets pretty sad when we leave town, and so he's a little depressed, but when we come home, he gets so excited that he just can't contain himself, and he goes running around like crazy. So we're gonna show you what it's like when we pick Logan up after a long trip or even a short trip, because he gets sad even for a short trip when we go away. So Logan likes to stay with Grandpa, huh?
Yes.
And he loves Grandpa, but he really misses these boys.
Yeah,
so,
and Jordan.
And Jordan. He misses
And
the
Dad.
entire family. So we're gonna find out, what does Logan do when we pick him up after a trip? Who's that? Let your dog out.
Hi, Logan.
Oh my goodness. Hi. Hi.
Hello. What?
Oh, hello.
Puppers.
There he goes. There he goes. Oh my goodness. There he goes. He's after Ty. Oh, there they are.
He's fast.
He's so fast. Oh my goodness, are you so excited, puppy? Huh? Hi.
There's snow.
Alrighty. Oh.
Oh, Logan, my baby.
Lots of love, huh?
No, we're gonna play tag with Logan. Ready? You jump.
Now he's going to get all his energy out.
Hey, Logan. Chloe. Hey, you got your toy? You ready to come back home? Ready, Lux? Ready? You ready? I think he's ready.
You came home, yeah. How was it? Up. Come here, up. Come here. Yeah. You happy to see? Huh? You happy to be here? Oh, good boy. Yes. Oh, you're all wet. Look at you.
Yeah, he's been playing in the snow.
You've been playing in the snow.
Hey, Grandpa.
Yeah. Guess what, Logan? You came home on a perfect day. It's Logan's bath and trim day.
Oh, yeah. You want a
You're so
bath,
excited.
Logan?
Well, luckily, after the bath, he gets a dream bone.
That's
Oh,
true.
you get a dream bone? You want a treat?
Oh,
huh?
he's excited
You
about
want a
that.
treat? Yeah, you want a treat? We'll get you a treat.
Yeah, so Logan gets bathed about every couple weeks. Sometimes it goes longer than that. We used to bathe him every week, but really it doesn't happen every week anymore. So really pretty much whenever we feel like he just needs one.
Okay, I'm gonna go give Logan a B-A-T-H. I have to spell it because he knows what the word means.
I think he knows how to spell bath.
Okay, so as soon as I picked him up, you can tell he knows something's going on. He thinks he knows he's getting a bath. So, you ready to get your bath? Let's go.
You're gonna get a dream bone, Logan, after.
You'll get your treat. Yes, you will. Alright, so I gotta take his collar off of him. You see he lays down because he knows exactly what's about to happen. And he does not like water. I don't know why. Most dogs do.
Hey, Wogs.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna give him a bath. We'll be right back. Okay, so the first thing that we do is we clean his ears out with this ear cleaner, because with dogs like Logan, his ears hang over and it gets all moist and it can get infections. So we always clean his ears first. And so basically all you do is you just lift his ear up. Then we'll put the ear cleaner in his ear and then we massage it in so it gets all over in his ear. And then we'll lift this ear up. Here, turn your head. We'll do the same thing on this side.
Okay, then massage it.
And then we'll massage it. Oh.
And then he shakes it.
Yeah, and then we get it all massaged in so it gets any kind of dirt that he might have. It gets all the dirt and I guess bugs that might be in there.
Ew.
Gets them off. So, if you listen, you can hear it squishing in his ear, which is good because it's cleaning his ear. Then I have to hurry up and cover this because he's gonna shake. Because he doesn't like it in his ears. Then the next thing we do is turn on the water. Yeah.
What do you think, Logs? You're gonna get a dream bone after.
So we make sure that the water's warm. We don't want it too cold or too hot. So, and then we just move him over. And he goes from all fluffy to not so fluffy. Hi, Logan. that. Get him all wet.
He was blonde and now he's brown.
And then we have to scrape his ear, clean his eyes because his little tears, when he has eyes that get tears on him that sticks to his head.
He has eye boogers.
Yeah. Okay, we'll get him all shampooed up and show you what he looks like.
Oh, you look like a funny dog when you're wet.
Yeah, he's got all his soap on, his
It
shampoo.
smells good though.
Yeah.
Look at you all super foamed up.
He gets his massage.
So we buy these gallon jugs of shampoo and conditioner, and it lasts like a couple years, 3 years, I don't know. It lasts a long, long time, but it's concentrate, so it gets really, really foamy. Cleans him pretty good. He loses a lot of hair in the tub. It's kind of funny when you wash him. Ooh, and look at all the dirt.
Yeah, the dirt's coming off. All that dirty.
Yep, you needed a bath. You got a bath, puppy. You gonna shake and get Dad all wet?
No, I'm not gonna let him.
That'd be awesome. Oh, he doesn't want his head to get wet, so he sticks it over the tub so he can avoid getting wet. He knows the tricks. He knows how to play. Aww.
All the dirt and hair comes off of him.
Look at the sad face. He so does not like baths. It's the worst part of anything for him. Pure torture. But he needs it. We need to keep him clean and huggable. Oh, you gotta stay clean. Jordan's home and Logan just got out of the bath. So, where's baby?
Logan!
Come here. Look who's here. Look, you ran right past Jordan.
Logan, look, Jordan!
Oh, you're so
here.
fluffy and clean now.
Come here!
And yes, if we don't get his ears quite as dry as he likes them, he rubs them on the carpet.
Come here, Logan! Come here, Logan, come here! Wants a back scratch.
He's not even paying attention to me. I haven't seen him in like 5-6 days. Dad's got the dream bone, that's why.
Oh my goodness, who wants his treat? He's so excited.
Were you a good boy? Yeah. Give
And
me
then
five.
he'll run and
Give me
hide.
Five. Give me five. No, give me five. High five.
Oh,
Logan!
All right. His favorite treat.
Oh, and he's
And he's gone.
All right, guys. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell. And Logan will see you guys next time. Bye.